Cubes and cuboids, our next chapter for logical reasoning. So before going ahead and looking at some logical problems, let's go through some concepts. In a cube or cuboid, there are 6 faces in each. In a cube, length, breadth and height are same, while in cuboid, these are different. In a cube, the number of cube units equals to side cube. In a cuboid, the number of cube units equals to length into breadth into height. Now what is cube units? Now if we see this as a cube of 4 into 4 length and breadth, then if we split it into smaller cubes of 1 unit length, breadth and height each, then the small cube is called a unit cube. Now let's look at this example to understand the kinds of questions that are supposed to be asked for logical reasoning on cubes and cuboids. Now in this example, a cube of each side 4 cm has been painted black, red and green on parts of opposite faces. It is then cut into small cube units of each 1 cm. Now the following questions and answers are based on the informations given in the figure. First question, how many unit cubes will be there? The answer is the total number of unit cubes equals to sides cube, that is equal to 4 cube equals to 64. Next question, how many unit cubes will have 3 faces painted? Now from the figure it is clear that the unit cube having 3 faces colored are situated at the corner of the big cube, because at these corners only 3 faces of the big cube meet. Therefore, the required number of such cubes is always 8, because there are 8 corners in a cube, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Next question, how many unit cubes will have only 2 faces painted? Now in the figure we can see that to each edge of a big cube, 4 cubes are connected and 2 out of them are situated at the corners of the big cube, which have all 3 faces painted. Hence, after removing those 2 unit cubes are left, which have 2 faces painted. Now as the total number of edges in a cube are 12, hence the total number of cubes with 2 faces colored will be 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. Or if we want to put it into a formula, then we can see that if there is a cube of side x units, then number of unit cubes where 2 faces colored will be x minus 2 into number of edges, and number of edges remains constant, that is equal to 12. So it is x minus 2 into 12. That means in this case x equals to 4. So number of unit cubes with 2 faces colored equals to x minus 2 or 4 minus 2 into 12. Next question, how many unit cubes will have only 1 face painted? Now in the figure we can see the cubes which are painted on 1 face only are the cubes at the center of each face of the big cube. Since there are 6 faces in the big cube and each of the face of big cube there will be 4 unit cubes. Hence in all there will be 6 into 4, that is equal to 24 such unit cubes. Or if we put it into a formula, it will be x minus 2 square into 6 unit cubes, where again x is the unit length of the sides of the cube. Next question, how many unit cubes will have no faces painted? Now the unit cubes which will have no faces painted are the cubes which are at the core of the cube. That means if we remove all the cubes at the outer surface layer, then we'll get the required number of cubes which have no faces painted. Now if we remove all the colored layer of unit cubes from the original cube of x units, then its length will become x minus 2, its breadth will become x minus 2 and its height will also become x minus 2. So the total number of unit cubes whose no faces are painted will be x minus 2 cube. Here it will be x equals to 4, that is 4 minus 2 equals to 2 cube, that is equal to 8. Next question. How many unit faces will have only 2 faces painted in black and green and all other faces unpainted? Now we already know that the total number of 2 faces painted cubes are x minus 2 into 12, where 12 is the number of edges of the cube. And here it is asked to find only those 2-face painted cubes whose color is black and green, which is 1/3 of the total number of 2 faces painted cubes that are black and green, black and red and green. So the required number is 24 divided by 3, that is equal to 8. Next question. How many unit cubes will have only 2 faces painted green and red? This is also a similar question. Now number of unit cubes having 2 faces painted green and red also equals to 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Next question of similar type. How many unit cubes will have only 2 faces painted black and red? Here also number of unit cubes having 2 faces painted black and red equals to 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Next question. How many unit faces will have only black painted? Now number of unit cubes having only black paint, there will be 8 unit cubes which have only black paint. 4 cubes will be from one side and 4 from the opposite side, because 2 sides of the entire cube is painted black, so we have 2 sides. Next question. How many unit cubes will have only red painted? So the answer is very similar and same. Number of unit cubes having only red paint also equals to 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Next question. How many unit cubes will be only green painted? Answer remains the same. Number of unit cubes having only green paint equals to 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Next question. How many unit cubes will have at least one face painted? Now number of unit cubes having at least one face painted equals to number of unit cubes having one face painted plus 2 face painted plus 3 face painted, that is equal to 24 plus 24 plus 8, that is equal to 56. Next question. How many unit cubes will have at least 2 faces painted? Number of unit cubes having 2 faces painted equal to number of unit cubes having 2 faces painted plus 3 faces painted, that is equal to 24 plus 8, that is equal to 32.